Cat with 9 Lives and Names, created by Papa Stash. They say cats have 9 lives. I don't know. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. But I do know I have 9 names that precisely fit my personality. Follow me for a day and I'll prove it to you. Come on. But first, I fuel up with a good breakfast.
Meow.
Good morning, Fussy. Purr. I'm fussy. I prefer what I'm smelling. And it smells pretty good, too.
Meow.
Buenos dias, Lucky. Purr. I am lucky. I got bacon. Maybe next time she'll add 2 eggs over light. Now that would be perfect. It's time for my nap.
Meow.
My sweet precious. Brr. Precious? I sure am. Time for some exercise.
Meow.
Hey, champ. I'm champ in this house. Perhaps I have to remind you again? Oh no. Hey! Ow! Ooh. Ow, ow, ow. Time for a drink. Meow. Well, if it isn't happy. Purr. I am happy. I'm getting milk. You don't perchance have chocolate milk, do you? Time for a little mischief. Meow. Good afternoon, Angel. Purr. Now you be a good angel, you hear? Me? A good angel? I might have a problem with that. Time for some fun. Meow. Mom, Crazy's back. I must be crazy, pursuing silly strings and things. Time for a scratch. Meow. Good evening, Itchy. Purr. I'm Itchy, and this is precisely what I need. Okay, so you followed me all day and watched me perform my daily routine. Now you know why I have 9 names. Count them. Oh, wait a minute. You only counted 8 names, right? I forgot to tell you something really important, and believe me, I didn't do it on purpose. My cat friends call me Pitstop. How was your day, Pitstop? Found a nice fish head for us, Pitstop. Yo, Pitstop, where you been all day? Hey, Pitstop, let's go spray some tires. The end. I'm still not sure about those 9 lives of mine, though. I guess you'll have to wait for another story. Until then, meow. And here's my Pitstop. His name's Lucky. Thank you for watching my story, The Cat with 9 Lives and Names. And please share with your family and friends. And if you want to hear more of my stories, you can check it out on Facebook, The Storyteller, or on YouTube at Papa Stash. Thanks again.